Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we're talking how to wear metallic shoes. I hope everyone's had a lovely week so far. Finally, this week, the weather is actually starting to get a little bit sunny. It's about 20 degrees outside today and I'm bracing for Sunday when it's going to be 26. I'm super excited. It's such a contrast from last week when everyone had freezing toes and there was snow and all sorts of natural disasters happening everywhere. Finally, a little bit of sun and hopefully onto a better time of the year and a better 2020. This week, I wanted to talk about the metallic shoe because I find that the metallic shoe is something that I think we're a little bit scared about. I think it's a little bit like sequins. They're one of those kind of parts of fashion that I think can be seen as a little bit maybe too flashy or a little bit too out there, but I really love the metallic shoe because I think it's a really good staple in a wardrobe, and I wanted to share with you why that is and show you some ways you can style the metallic shoe at home. So we're styling today with two shoes that are absolutely amazing shoes that I love in my wardrobe. The first one is this gold shoe from the Good Shoe Shop. I've flogged these. These have been fantastic. I think I've had these for a bit over a year now, and my friend Danny, who runs a business called the Good Shoe Shop, who makes good shoes that are good for your feet. She's a podiatrist, and so she knows all about the foot. She made these shoes, and I've got to say they are the most comfortable pair of shoes. Also, they're fantastic for a night out because they have a small heel, but they're glitzy enough to make it look like you went to the effort of wearing the going out shoe. And they kind of just go with everything. So, I mean, you could essentially just stop the video right now and go, right, I can wear a gold shoe with everything. But I want to show you a little bit more about how you can style the different metallics. And because I love options, I've also got the silver shoe as well. Now, this shoe, I have no longer found that this brand actually makes shoes anymore. This shoe is from a brand called Saba, and back when they used to do shoes, they were amazing shoes. And Saba, if you're watching this right now, please bring back your shoes because this is a really comfortable shoe. It's super durable. I don't think I've really had to have any work done to it yet, and I've had these for about 3 years now, and they are starting to show a little bit of wear and tear, but you know, as most metallic shoes do, especially shoes that get a good flogging like mine do. So today we're styling with gold and silver. Now you can apply these principles to things like gunmetal, you can apply it to rose gold, you can even apply it to like a metallic color. So you might have a metallic purple or a metallic pink or even a metallic green shoe in your wardrobe. And I think we do steer a little bit clear of these because we worry too much that maybe they are too kind of formal or going to look like we're kind of going out and hitting the town in them too much. So I want to show you some other ways you can wear them. Let's get into it. So let's just jump straight in with the first look. Now, this look is a pair of high-waisted jeans that I've cuffed on the bottom to show off the shoe. And I find cuffing up a jean really does help to kind of put a bit of a spotlight on the shoe you're wearing, particularly a metallic one, because it helps kind of just to dress up the outfit a little bit. And I put on just a nice plain top, and this blouse is, for me, it's more of a work blouse that I'd wear out to go and see clients in. But if a friend said to me, let's go out tonight, first thing that comes into my mind is like, right, jeans and a nice top. I would probably put this outfit on and add in that shoe just to level it up a little bit. I find jeans and a nice top is the solution for a lot of women everywhere for what they're going to wear out when they're being social. And I think having a metallic shoe as opposed to putting on, say, a nude flat or a black flat or a pair of ankle boots, maybe this shoe can just give you that little lift you were looking for, so you feel like you've gone to a little bit more effort, but also it allows you to not have to layer up on other accessories so much. So for look number 2, I've got on my gold metallic shoes. I've got a purple slip skirt in a silky fabric. I've got a black t-shirt on that I've tucked into that skirt, and then I've put my blue denim jacket over the top, and I've rolled up those sleeves just to bring a little bit more attention to my waist. Now, the reason I put this outfit together, even though I haven't picked up gold anywhere apart from wearing a pair of earrings, which you might not even be able to see in this video, what I've done is I've matched the shininess of that gold shoe with the skirt. So I've picked up the same kind of texture. So you don't always have to match the color in your outfit. Sometimes it's nice just to go with a similar texture, keep everything else relatively plain and simple, and you can put together a really nice, easy, effortless outfit. So for look 3, I wanted to go with something that was more casual. So I've got on the same pair of blue jeans that I wore in look 1, and they're still cuffed up so I can see my shoe. But what I've gone and done is I've put on a t-shirt, I've front tucked it a little bit just to style it up a bit, and around my waist I've put a silver belt. Now this silver belt matches in with the shoes, and a really easy way to pick up a metallic shoe is perhaps by matching the metal on the buckle to your shoe, or you pick a belt that is the same type of metallic as your shoe is. So I found this to be a really easy way to do casual but a little bit interesting. And this is a really great outfit that you could just wear to go and grab a coffee or run around town in. And I do find that if you buy a pair of metallic heels that have a smaller heel on the bottom of them and perhaps a thick heel, that'll allow you to wear them with more things in your wardrobe because you won't have sore feet. But they also make a really good shoe for when you do have a going out occasion. You know that you can dance the night away, or you can walk around for long periods of time and be on your feet without your feet hurting. Now for look 4, I wanted to pick a dress that had quite a busy print in it. Now most of my printed dresses have kind of warm yellowy tones through them, so they go really nicely with the warmth of the yellow and the gold kind of tone in my gold shoes. But if you have a dress at home that is heavily printed and you only ever wear it with, say, black shoes or nude shoes or tan shoes because you think they're the only neutral you can wear with it, well, you can definitely do a metallic shoe. So depending on what color your metallic is, if it's gold or silver, you can wear it with any print. If your metallic is a color, so let's say it's a purple metallic, you might want to pick up something that's purple or a pink tone in that print just to kind of elevate that look. But generally when you have something that is super duper printed, quite busy, or maybe you're mixing prints that day and you still want to do something fun on the bottom other than a plain shoe, the metallic shoe is a really good way to do that. Now when you're trying to choose a gold or a silver shoe and you're trying to base that off your skin tone, the trick to it is gold suits a warmer skin tone and silver suits a cooler skin tone. I have warm skin tone and I use both, so you don't have to stick to that like glue. I personally find having both metals in my wardrobe to be something that is very useful for me. I'm more of a gold person and I have a lot more gold than I do silver, but I do find on the odd occasion an event comes up or I have a day where I'm thinking I just want to wear silver today, so don't get too hung up on the warm or the cool skin tone. But if it is something you're thinking about, it's gold for warm and silver for cool tones. Now, if you want to see more outfits that have metallic shoes in them, I've got a link to a Pinterest board down below for you guys that I've put together. Feel free to have a poke around my Pinterest as well. There's plenty of styling ideas on there, but I hope this board gives you some ideas of how you can style your shoes in other ways. And I hope I've given you some inspiration to take your metallic shoes out of the wardrobe and try them with some more casual pieces. And that's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you have a lovely week. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you have any ideas for future videos. I love reading your comments and it makes my day when someone subscribes to my channel. I look forward to seeing you guys on Sunday with another video.